Hello guys, in this video we are discussing about uses of tenses. Before that we discuss the structure of tenses. There are tenses, it is Latin word which means time. There are three types of tenses: present, past and future. You know the five formulas of simple verb: V1 simple present, V2 simple past, okay, will a shall plus simple future, okay, continue main verb plus, okay, amizar plus main verb ing, was where plus main verb ing, yeah, will shall plus main verb ing, continue. Perfect, have or has plus verb past participle, had plus verb past participle, yeah, will ya shall plus have plus verb past participle. Perfect, action is completed now. Next, perfect continue, it denotes action is continue when it will be stopped. I have no answer. Structure, have or has plus been plus main verb ing, had plus been plus main verb ing, a will a shall plus have plus been plus main verb ing. Structure we discussed. Now today's video we are discussing about uses of times. All times, present, past and future. Here is simple present time. It is used first, to express a habitual action or an action pattern regularly. Simple manner, it is used to express our habits. Simple present time is used to express our habits. For example, the manager gets up at 5 and start work at 7. Gets. Manager is third person singular. I am not manager, you are not manager. Manager is third person singular. That's why gets. Simple present time. It indicates habits of a individual, habits of a person, habitual action, habits. The manager gets up at 5 and start work at 7. Umesh practices the piano every day. Have you got it? The action habits, it is referred by the simple present time. Next, for universal or general truth, simple present time is used to express general fact, universal fact, yeah, general truth. For example, the earth turns 360 Celsius every day. Second, Antarctica is covered with ice. Have you got it? Simple present times, it indicate for habits, it is used to indicate, it is used to show the habits. Second, it is used to indicate universal or general truth. Have you got it? Next, for examples, the earth turns 360 Celsius every day and Antarctica is covered with ice. Facts, universal fact, जनरल फैक्ट. फ्यूचर में भी वही है, पास्ट में भी वही है और प्रेजेंट में भी वही रहेगा. नेक्स्ट, यूज नंबर 3, in narrative such as sports event or demonstration. For sports commentary, narrative means deep descriptions. When we want to give some deep description, at that time we use simple present time. For examples, Virat catches the ball and he throws it to the wickets. First, I put some butter in the pan and turn on the cooker. Okay, means for deep narration, deep discussions, deep descriptions, we use simple present. One, habits. Second, universal truth. Third, that is called deep narration, sports commentary, etc. Fourth, to express a future event that is a part of a fixed timetable. It will be happen in future, but it is a fix, it is a permanent, there is no changes. At that time we use simple present time instead of simple future time. Be careful. Okay, simple present time is used for specific, for permanent, for fixed schedule, fixed timetable instead of simple future. For example, the train leaves at 3 p.m. sharp. The flight is at 7 p.m. tomorrow morning. 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Okay, have you got it? Simple present times indicate facts, universal truth, deep narration. Fourth, for the event which is fixed in future, the event, it is part of timetable, fixed timetable. It is denoted by, it is expresses by, it is used by simple present time. Next, to state the facts and things in general that are always true. True facts, universal truth, they can same here, that state the fact and things in general, general things, but it is always true. For example, India is a rich source of herbs. Gold isn't liquid at room temperature. Gold isn't liquid at the room temperature. It is a general facts. That's why we use simple present. 6. In exclamatory sentence beginning with here and there, simple present is used in exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory matlab it shows deep feelings and emotion. It start with here and there. For examples, there goes your trainer. Okay. Next, use number 7. Indicate just 5 uses: habits, general truth, deep narrations. Okay. uh, Deep narrations, and instead of simple future we use simple present for schedule of timetable. Next, in introduction of quotation, to introduce quotation. For examples, in quotation, in direct speech we use simple present time. To introduce quotation, Swami Vivekananda says, arise, awake, and do not stop until the goal is reached. देखो, we repeat the same things. One, that is called to express habits, to show the universal or general truth. 3, that is called deep narration. 4, that is called future event, that is a part of timetable. 5th, that is called facts and things in a general, but these are the truth. An exclamatory sentence start with here and there. To introduce quotations, Swami Vivekananda says, arise, awake, and do not stop until the goal is reached. 8. Instead of simple future tense, in clause of time and condition. Okay, we use simple present time instead of simple future for the schedule of time, fixed timetable. Here is the same things for clauses of time and condition. We want to give some clause or condition. For simple future we use simple present. For example, I shall wait till you finish your lunch. Clause, condition, I will wait, I shall wait till you finish your lunch. If you heat water to 100 celsius degree, it boils. Condition, if you heat bottle to 100 celsius degree, it boil. This is a simple present time. Next, present continuous time. It is used first to indicate an action that is happening at the moment of speaking. Action is going on in present time. It indicates action is happening at the moment of speaking. That is denoted by simple continuous time. For example, I am just leaving office, I will be home in an hour. I am just leaving office, action is going on in a present time. It is not completed, it is not simple, it is going on. I will be home in hour. Second, please be quiet, the children are sleeping. Okay, please be quiet, the children are speaking. Okay, action is going on in a present time. Second, it indicate an action which may not happening at the time of speaking. It also indicate the action which may not be happening at the time of, maybe there is some sort of uncertainty. For example, aren't you teaching at the university now? There is confusion, there is doubt that he will not teaching. That's why, aren't you teaching at the university now? At 2 in the afternoon, we are eating lunch. At 2 in the afternoon, we are eating lunch. Means there is some sort of certain uncertainty. In this way, we are using present continue for uncertainty also. For indefinite future arrangements, maybe there is a probability uncertainty, that's why we use present continue time instead of simple future. For example, we are going to beach at the weekend. I am not going to party tonight. We are going to the beach at the weekend. I am not going to party tonight. For future arrangement, present continuous is used. Fourth, for habits that are not regular but that happen every often. Habits. It is habits. For habits we use simple present time, but habits, here is habit but not regular. It is often. And verb like always, continuously, or constantly are used. For example, you are continuously losing your keys. You are continuously losing your keys. Continuously. It is not habit, but it happen with us always, continuously. She is constantly missing the train. It is not habit, but sometimes, yeah, always, generally, it will happen. That's why at that time we are using present continuous time instead of simple present time. She is constantly missing the train. Next, use of tenses, same things. Present continue time, verb which refers to state rather than action or progress. The state rather than action rather than progress are not normally used in continue form in the present tense. For example, perception, feels, smell, hear, taste, see. Second, emotions, want, wish, fear, dislike, hate, hope, like, love, regret, hope, refuse. Third, thinking, think, suppose, believe, agree, consider, trust, remember, forget, know, understand, imagine, affairing, appear, look, seem. Okay, these are the verbs which is associated, which is refers for our perceptions. Okay, perceptions, feelings, thinking, and appearing. Such type of verb are not used normally with present perfect time. Okay, because it is perfections, we cannot see the perfections. That's why when we are using such feelings and emotion of perfections, we do not use present continuous time. Be careful. Next, perfect present time, yeah, present perfect time, to indicate an action completed in the recent or immediate past. It indicate action is completed instantly, immediately. Okay, because simple past it denote action is completed, but here it denote action completed in the recent और immediate past, अभी अभी कंप्लीट हुई है, उसके लिए कौन सा यूज़ करते हैं हम, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव जस्ट फिनिश्ड माई वर्क. आई हैव जस्ट फिनिश्ड माई वर्क. He has just taken the medicine. He has just taken. Action is completed before sometimes. It never take lot of times. Action is completed before some time, instantly, immediately. Second, it indicate in past action happened at an unspecified time. The action is completed but there is no specific time, it is an unspecific time. Okay, to indicate in past action happened at an unexpected time, unspecific time, unspecified time. For example, i have been I have been to France 3 times. Madhuri has never traveled by train. Has traveled, have been to France 3 times. Okay, it indicates that action is happened but not in specific time. Next, to show that something started in the past and has continued in until now. It is started in past, but it is continue. Okay, same thing, that is called present perfect continue time. Rashmi has been in England for 6 months. Something started in past, but it is continue in present also, still time. Priya has loved chocolate since she was a little girl. Have you got it? These are the present perfect time, as well as the adverb and adverbial phrases with unfinished time expression can be used in present perfect, such as ever, never, once, many times, several times, before, so far, this month, this year, this week, today, already, yet, etc., but not with specific past a finished time expressions such as yesterday, 1 year ago, last week, when I was a child, when I lived in Japan, at that moment, that day, one day, etc. We did not use present perfect, but we use present perfect for the time which is happened, but in specific manner. Okay, next we are discussing simple past in next video. Use of simple past times. Hope you can understand it. If you have any doubt, please discuss it.